Hey! In today's video, I'll be going over my 4 months experience with using the Adata EC700G. Let's get started. 4 months ago, I was impressed with this enclosure. It was fast, reliable, sleek design, and built solid, and most importantly, it made my workflow better. I'm still able to transfer 50GB of data within 5 minutes, but where things has gone downhill is this enclosure would disconnect after 30 minutes in use, or it'll disconnect after 40 minutes of doing nothing. Another time, the enclosure will light up but fail to connect to my laptop and MacBook. And I do notice the enclosure runs harder than before. So this led me to think maybe the issue was the M.2 drive. So I tried removing the M.2 drive from the enclosure and installing it directly on my laptop, and I was able to run on my laptop with no issue. So I contacted Adata to start the RMA process, and while filling out the form, I did run into a few issues like the serial number was not easy to locate, and the EC700G enclosure was not listed under external hard drive or SSD for product category, but instead listed under mobile accessory, which is an odd location. And there's also a lack of information on the FAQ page. Anyways, after completing the RMA process, I learned that Adata doesn't cover shipping for warranty repair, and the cost of shipping this to the Adata Repair Center is around $25, which is around 50% of what I paid for this enclosure. And to be fair to Adata, not every company will cover shipping for warranty, but it was just disappointing considering I owned this product for around 4 months. For anyone thinking of buying the Adata EC700G, I don't recommend it anymore because the enclosure isn't reliable, product support is lacking, shipping cost is extra even for warranty repair. Don't make the same mistake as I did and make sure you're aware of the company's shipping policy before you make a purchase. So my question to you is, have you ever had to pay for shipping for a warranty repair? Let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.